In this video, we'll take a fillable PDF form and recreate it in seller form. We're going to import and then reconstruct the traditional grid layout of a PDF form file. To start, select Grid Form and choose a custom URL for your form. Now, import the form you're going to recreate. Select the Import Form button under Data Components and select the PDF file you want to import. Now that our PDF is imported, we can expand it and see the various components that make up the PDF. If we drag these components into the form outline one at a time, we'll see that each component imports one on top of the other, and not side by side as you would expect. Let's fix that. To make these components fit side by side in a grid layout, we will create a container with a grid row widget. When you choose to make your form a grid form, each container will be set to a grid row widget by default. Grid row containers allow us to place components side by side. Each grid row that is created will automatically update as components are added, adding an additional column for each component. Almost every type of component will fit into a grid row, allowing you to create just about any type of grid form you can imagine. Once you've finished your form, you can publish it like any other. The published form will take on the same grid that you've developed in the designer. Here we have the finished grid style form based on the PDF we imported at the beginning. We hope that this guide has helped you in creating grid style forms that replicate the look and feel of fillable PDF forms. For more seller form videos, check out our other seller form resources.